Hi, I'm Rachel from Edge, and today we're doing an indoor filming because it's raining, but also because I wanted to talk about what you can do if you don't have a garden and you want to grow some food, especially food that's really good for you. So we're going to be talking about microshoots or microgreens. That they have a lot of very similar names. So you can see here I've got some lovely pea shoots, and this is Wheatgerm. Now, Wheatgerm is really good for the immune system because it's packed full of really good minerals that can help you fight germs. So that is a really good one to have, and often put into shakes as a sort of health boost shot. And pea shoots are just lovely either raw or in salads or just as a snack, whatever. You know, they really jazz up a dish, or you can put them as a garnish. So I wanted to show you these because these are ready to harvest and ready to eat, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've got these seeds here. I bought them from Nature's Root, which is online, but I bought them specifically from there because they're organic, and I prefer not to consume chemicals where I can avoid it. So these are the seed packs, and this is what they look like. So we've got peas here. They are literally peas. And these are the wheat seeds. So any kind of winter wheat seed can be used for this. And if you grow peas and you seed save, you can actually use your own peas. So if you'd rather that than buy seeds, that's absolutely fine. So I've just got a tub here with a very thin layer of substrate. And what you want to use is something not for nutrients. So these seeds are not looking for nutrients from this substrate. A really good substrate material would be coir, which is the coconut husk. I don't have any of that, so I've just used a really basic grade compost just for them to sit in. And you can see it's quite wet. It's not swimming, but it's very moist. And so you want it to be really wet because it's got to last them a few days. And then you literally just put the seeds on top of the substrate. Now, you can soak the seeds before. And I did this with the peas. I did an experiment with these two pea pots. One set of seeds was soaked for 12 hours in water before sowing, and one weren't. And although these are denser, there's no difference between them as far as I can see. They're the same height, the same healthiness. So actually I'm going to cut that step out of my process now and not soak them. So these seeds that you can see here have not been soaked. So they go into the tub like this. And then you want to get a piece of newspaper, soak it in water, and then it sits on top, right on top, and it wants to be in contact with the seeds. And so once that's done, that goes into the airing cupboard or somewhere warm and dark. So if you don't have an airing cupboard, it could be under a bed, it could be underneath a radiator. Basically, it doesn't want light. That is the key. So it sits in there for about 3 days, and then what comes out looks like this. So these were sown 3 days ago. This is the Wheatgerm and this is the pea. And you can see that they're noticeably white, and the reason for that is because the lack of light. So no light means no chlorophyll from the sun, means they don't turn green. So when you pull them out of the airing cupboard, they should have pushed the newspaper up somewhat. And it will be quite dry, so you may want to check them a day or two in just to make sure that they're still moist, and you can just moisten the newspaper. And then you pull them out, put them on a windowsill or somewhere where they can get light, and in a couple, 2-3 more days, then they turn into this.